G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is one of my EV realist videos. If you like this kind of content, it'd be great to have you as a subscriber. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Tesla battery, and I didn't really understand what a Tesla battery looked like for a long time, and it was only recently that I realized that it was made up of essentially these things, which are single lithium ion cells. This battery is called an 18650, and it's called that because it's 18 millimeters across and 65 millimeters tall. I'll put on the screen the capacity of this and the voltage. But remarkably, a Tesla battery is made up of about 7,000 of these individual lithium ion cells. So there's really nothing magical about it other than there's a shed load of these all crammed together, 7,000 roughly. And each of these weighs just under 50 grams, which means that 7,000 of them is 350 kilograms. That's just the cells, that doesn't include the frame, the battery management system, all the connections, and the cooling system, which adds more amounts to the weight of the battery. I think the battery is around 1,000 kilos, or of that order. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but something around that for a massive battery. But the reason I was inspired, if you like, to make this video this morning was that one of my favorite YouTubers, Hydraulic Press Channel from Finland, put out a video about crushing lithium ion batteries. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. And he started off with one of these. He's very funny, and he said, even though it's only tiny, there's quite a lot of fire and anger in one of these. Check out the clip.
And we are going to start with this tiny cell, and they said that even that has quite a lot of fire and anger inside of it.
What is so remarkable about that clip is, look, I know he's crushing it in a hydraulic press. I mean, he's aiming to destroy it, but it didn't take much crushing for the side of this battery to literally blow out explosively. And this is solid. It's not like thin metal. It's tough. And then there was a huge fire. That's just from one cell. And there are 7,000. I've just recorded another video which talks about the insurance problems of EVs, and one of the big problems is that when you've got that number of cells in a battery together, it's almost impossible to determine after an incident or an accident or a collision whether any of those 7,000 cells have been damaged, because all it takes is one cell to go off like that due to a physical impact, and that will start the whole battery of 7,000 cells going up in a thermal runaway. So anyway, I thought that was interesting, just to know how these Tesla batteries were made and how much fire and anger there is in just one of these tiny cells. That's just about it for this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you enjoy this EV realist content that I'm making, check out the playlist up there. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.